We have a special bell ringing ceremony this morning to mark the PSEi's historic climb to the 8,000 level. Before we go on to the program proper, may I ask everyone to please rise for the Philippine National Flag of the Index, now at the 8,000 level. Everyone, please join our countdown, okay? And here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, thank you to our special guest today, His Excellency President Benigno S, Aquino III, for gracing our event this morning. Thank you as well to our top officials, all our listed companies for joining us in our celebration. May we invite everyone to please proceed to the boardroom for breakfast. And of course, to our trading participants,